I'm glad to see that the restrictions in worldwide mobility due to global pandemic have inspired EEPC India in organizing virtual exhibitions to create a virtual platform worldwide in various engineering segments, enabling the Indian exporters to continue the trade processes and reboot their businesses. India and the world are battling through a bad phase due to the pandemic. India was able to achieve 48th rank in Global Innovation Index. India has also ranked 52nd in the Production Manufacturing Index (PMI), while Indian engineering exports grew by 9.7% in July 2020 as compared to July 2019. EU and the UK are very prominent trade partners of India in overall merchandise and engineering products, as well with a 6.7% growth of India's exports to EU in 2018-19. I'm sure the India Subcontracting Expo 2020 would yield meaningful interactions between India and overseas manufacturers and traders of engineering products. I am very happy to note that EEPC India, the premier trade and investment promotion organization in India and acting as the largest Indian export promotion council, it is promoting Indian engineering abroad and also participates in 26 international engineering shows across 21 nations. As you are aware that Tamil Nadu ranks third in Export Preparedness Index 2020. It has a diversified manufacturing sector and features among the leaders in several industries. Tamil Nadu is the export hub of passenger vehicles, accounting for 70% of India's overall exports. Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu, is the automobile capital of India. Tamil Nadu is the largest tire manufacturing state in India and home to over 80 auto component manufacturers with an annual installed capacity of 1.71 million car units. EEPC India has been promoting MSMEs among engineering exporters. Tamil Nadu would be joining as the partner state along with a team of MSME units, which would provide ample opportunity to the participants from this region to interact with their overseas counterparts. I wish EEPC India's Virtual Engineering Expo Subcontracting 2020 a great success. The vision of Honorable Purachi Thalaiva Amma Avargal to make Tamil Nadu the number one state has been realized by Honorable Chief Minister Annan Edapariyar Avargal through able and efficient governance. This is vouched by the fact that Tamil Nadu topped the Good Governance Index. Tamil Nadu is ranked number one in industrial performance in India. The path-breaking policy interventions and pioneer programs of our government under the able and efficient leadership of Honorable Chief Minister has resulted in Tamil Nadu being adjudged as the third best state in contributing to the growth of MSMEs. The promotion of SME efficiency and dynamism can yield increasing social and economic returns in virtually all economies. Subcontracting and other collaborative supply relationships would help shorten the period of capacity building and ongoing learning needed by SMEs to come up with the required product quality and design, delivery timelines, plus their ongoing innovation and differentiation. With the setting up of MTIBP, MSME Trade and Investment Promotion Bureau, an autonomous agency of the Government of Tamil Nadu, MSME participation in the state growth would be bolstered. MTIBP is supporting the participation of 21 MSME units at the India Subcontracting Expo 2020 of EEPC India, which validates the enterprise of the state government to promote this sector. We look forward to generation of new business tie-ups at the event.
respected members of EPC India, respected buyers from the European Union and the United Kingdom, greetings to all of you. As you are aware, the world is facing an unprecedented crisis in the form of COVID-19 pandemic, which is not only posing great risk to the health and well-being of humanity, but is also adversely impacting global economy by disruption of the global supply chains and fall in global demand. However, due to easing of lockdowns and increase in economic activity, the global trade surged in the third quarter of this year. According to the recent forecast of the World Trade Organization, the volume of the global merchandise trade will decline by only 9.2% in 2020, which is much better than the earlier forecast of decline by 12.9% in this current year. Travel restrictions resulting from the ongoing pandemic have led to the cancellation of various trade exhibitions and meetings over virtual platforms has become a new normal. I congratulate EPC India team led by Sri Mahesh Desai for organizing its first virtual show, India Subcontracting Expo, from 27 to 30th October 2020 with a focus on the European Union and the UK. The EU and UK are among India's largest trading partners with a trade of US dollar 105 billion and US dollar 15.4 billion in the year 2019-20 respectively. Engineering products comprise India's main exports to both the EU and the UK. India's engineering sector is a crucial backbone of the economy. It is the largest segment of India's industrial sector. Subcontracting is an important feature of modern organizational manufacturing industry. I am happy to know that over 75 Indian MSME companies are showcasing their engineering products in this virtual expo, which will provide an excellent opportunity for them to interact with quality buyers from the EU and the UK. I hope that the Indian companies will strengthen their cooperation and forge many mutually beneficial tie-ups with their businesses in the EU and UK engineering sector. My best wishes to the India Subcontracting Show 2020.
The COVID-19 pandemic and the consequent travel and other restrictions on mobility worldwide have adversely affected global trade. India's engineering community, including exporters, has likewise been hit hard. To counter this situation, EPC India is organizing its first virtual exhibition on subcontracting, an integral feature of the manufacturing industry. EPC India, the premier trade and investment promotion organization in India, acting as the largest export promotion council, promoting Indian engineering goods abroad on all fronts, and also participates in almost all major engineering exhibitions worldwide, mobilizing Indian manufacturers and merchants to showcase their products overseas. EPC India is organizing virtual exhibitions to create a virtual platform worldwide in various engineering segments, enabling the Indian exporters to continue the trade process. India Subcontracting Expo 2020, a virtual exhibition on subcontracting scheduled to be held over October 27 to October 30th, 2020, will focus on the European Union, and the United Kingdom, two important partners in India's bilateral trade. The show would provide facilities of 24/7 visit, B2B meets, and attending thematic web discussions among industry leaders. We are honored to have Tamil Nadu government, one among the top 10 manufacturing hubs in the world, as our partner state through their agency MTIPB. We invite all of you to register and visit the event and make it a fruitful endeavor of ours in the visual arena.
I am glad to learn that EPC India is organizing its maiden virtual expo, India Exporting Expo 2020, over 27th until 30th October 2020. The pandemic, incredibly, is ushering in a golden age of virtual media, making good on the initial promise of digital while offering new life and unprecedented access to some of the world's cultural touchstones, some previously financially or physically inaccessible. While the world has never felt more physically isolated, digital media have offered a bridge as well as an exciting range of experiences. Although India has managed well till date in containing the spread of the virus, but the COVID-19 pandemic resulted in unfathomable economic fallouts, slow economic activity, disruption of supply chain networks, falling global demands, supply gluts leading to price fall, loss of trust and confidence, and fear of global future. As our economy and the world is turning around, it is a long way to go till we resume to normal life. Virtual interactions and expositions are the best method to contain the disease and simultaneously rebooting and continuing to grow the businesses. This is the most appropriate time to organize and arrange virtual expo with close to 100 exhibitors by EPC India. India Subcontracting Expo will start a new era in the history of EPC India exhibitions, taking us into a global league with world-class arrangement of round-the-clock chat rooms, individual display booths, B2Bs and parallel webinars, and over hundreds of expected footfalls. We are honored to have Tamil Nadu government, one among the top 10 manufacturing hubs in the world, as a partner state through their agency MTIPB. We invite all of you to register and visit the event. Block your dates now.
Greetings from EPC India. EPC India has played the role of a true torchbearer of Indian engineering exports. The ripple effect of pandemic has also enveloped the exhibition industry worldwide, bringing it to a standstill early this year, with 60% contraction over 2019 and $180 billion of total output and affecting 1.9 million jobs. Trade fairs and exhibition play an important role in promoting trade and commerce globally. Indian MSME exporters were able to find new business partners through their participation in physical shows. Such physical shows have been cancelled due to COVID-19 pandemic and has been a huge setback for the revival of engineering exports from India. Virtual expos, online marketplaces, B2B is an attempt to reinstate global businesses by stabilizing the supply chain and sourcing requirements during this pandemic. Indian Subcontracting Expo 2020 would be EPC India's maiden attempt in virtual show space, which has been specially designed to explore the EU and UK markets. India Subcontracting Expo is from 27th to 30th October, is ready with a platter of thematic webinars with global speakers, private meeting rooms with company and product videos, booth display to promote trade. We are also grateful for the support to the Union Ministry of Commerce and Industry. I am sure this will be one of the most unique shows and would act as an inspiration for us to repeat such business endeavors in near future till we move into phygital mode probably in 2021. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.